Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips Zero screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the SSD without causing any damage. First, power off your HP Pavilion 15 BC4FE-NS and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any electrical issues during the upgrade. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips Zero screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. There are typically 10 screws, so keep them organized to avoid confusion later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, locate the M.2 SSD slot. It is usually near the center of the motherboard and may be covered by a small heat shield. If there is a heat shield, remove the screws holding it in place using the Phillips screwdriver. This will expose the M.2 SSD. Now, gently unscrew the existing M.2 SSD. It is held in place by a single screw. Once the screw is removed, carefully pull the SSD out of the slot at a slight angle. If you are upgrading to a new SSD, ensure it is compatible with your laptop model. Before installing the new SSD, take a moment to clean the area around the slot. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Insert the new M.2 SSD into the slot at a 30-degree angle. Once it is securely in place, press it down gently and replace the screw to hold it in position. If you removed a heat shield, reattach it now. After the SSD is installed, carefully replace the back panel of your laptop. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clip snap back into place. Reinsert all screws to secure the back panel. Now, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure the new SSD is recognized. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you get started. Once your laptop boots up, you can format the new SSD and install your operating system or transfer files as needed. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this upgrade, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Finally, always remember to quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs and services. Enjoy your upgraded HP Pavilion 15 BC 450NS with enhanced storage and performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.